Hello, this is Eva and Mark, and we're in Vancouver, British Columbia, downtown near the water, and this is called the Laughing Statue. It's one gentleman who made these, and this is him. This is maybe a little bit of an egomaniac, but this is him laughing in all different poses. So, very unique. Never seen anything like this. And you can see his teeth and everything. So it's pretty, it's very realistic. And he has 5 toes and 5 fingers, so nothing funny about that. This one's probably one of my more favorite ones. This is one artist that did them all about himself. You see the back of his pockets, and they were very detailed, very cool, very realistic. So come with us downtown Vancouver and see all these guys. One guy in all these laughing poses. Marble Slab Creamery is over here. And of course, the ubiquitous Starbucks. So these are the laughing boys. And there's Laughing Eva. Is Laughing Eva here? So let's go look over here at the sunset, please, Eva.
Sounds good.
Facing west, you can see one of the a lot of container ships lined up here. Costs them $10,000 a day to do the carbon offset. It's absolutely beautiful. So come with us. So we take you here, there, and everywhere in Vancouver, British Columbia, Alaska, and around the world.
Yo, we do mangoes too. Like, that's amazing. I don't know if you're aware of puffed rice. Do you know, Muri? Exactly.